Today we are looking a next part of a decimal fraction of a standard fifth. That is how to identify the place value of a digit in a decimal fraction. To learn the place values of the digits in the decimal fraction, I am taking one example. Look here, I am taking one number, that is number is like that 814.359. So how we read it? 814.359. Now we are checking a place value of each number in the decimal fraction. This is a decimal point format for fraction is given. So for that you have to divide a given number into two parts from this point, from the right side of a point and from the left side of a point. So this is a right side and this is a left side. So always remember, on the left side of a point, decimal point, left side of a decimal point, there is always a complete whole number. This number is a complete number, 814. And on the right side of the decimal point, these all are the decimal numbers. All these numbers are the decimal number. So on the left side of a decimal point, numbers are complete whole number, and on the right side of a decimal point, numbers are a decimal number. So this is a complete number. So we know how to write down the places of these numbers. This is 814. This is our normal number. So this 100 place, then this is 10 place, and this is unit place. So, and after that we are looking how to write a place value of the decimal number. So for that, what we have to do? I always tell you that when you are writing a place value, start from, or any number in a table, start from right side. First number is, yes, it is 9, then 5, then 3, then point you should have to remove, and then number is 4, then number is 1, and number is 8. Now look at the places 8, 1 and 4. These numbers or these digits are coming on the left side of the point. So we are on the left side of a point. First number is 4, and this place is a which place? Unit place. From the left side, first place must be a unit place. Then next place is a tens place, and this place is a hundreds place. This place is a hundreds place. Now these things are a very normal thing, or these places are a very normal places. Hundreds place. Now on the right side, on the right side of a decimal point, first place is a 10th place. 10th. Then second number is a 100th. I am writing on this side 100. And last place is a 1000th place. Last place is a 1000th place. So always remember, on the right side of a decimal point, first place is start from 10th. You should have to read it as a 10th, 100th, 1000th. At the th is like at the end of the decimal fraction. So this unit means value 1, this tens means having value 10, this hundreds means having value 100. This 10th, how we write? And it is a decimal fraction. 10th means one part from a 10. 10th means one part from a 10. 100 means one part from a 100. And 1000 means one part from a 1000. This is read as a 1 upon 10 means 10th. Then 1 upon 100 means 100th. And 1000 means 1 upon 1000. Now start writing a place value of each number. We are starting from this unit. Or you can start, now it is so easy to use. First copy the number 8. Multiply it with this place value 100. Those 8 into 100 is a, how many it is? 800. And this is a place value of this 8 in the given number. Next number is a 1. So I am copying here 1. Multiply with this tens means 10. So our answer is 1 into 10, 10. This is a place value of this 1 in the given number. Next number is a 1. Number is a 4. And the place is unit place means we are multiplying it with the 1. So answer is 4 ones are 4. Then आता काय करायचं आपल्याला? We have to check, write down the place value of a decimal fractions. So decimal point नंतरचा फर्स्ट नंबर 10th पासून स्टार्ट होतो. 10th कसा लिहितो आपण? 1 upon 10. So first copy the number 3. Multiply it with the 1 upon 10. So number become, in this situation, how to do the multiplication? This number always you have to multiply with the numerator. 3 ones are 3 upon 10. So 3 upon 10, you already learned how to write it. We are first copying the numerator. Now how many zeros? 1 0. So we are left one place and keep a point. So it is written as a, I am again writing here 0.3. This number is written as a 0.3. So 0.3 is a place value of a 3 in the given number. Then next number is a 5, which is at 100th place. So 1 upon 100. Then 5 into 5. 5 into 1, 1. 5 ones are 5 and upon 100. So 5 upon 100, how we write it? First write 5 as it is. Then how many zeros are there? 2 0. So we have to left how many places? From a right side, 2 places. त्यामुळे आपल्याला 2 places सोडायचे आहेत. 1 2.0. So 0.05 is a place value of a 5 in the given number. Now last number is 9. 9 multiply by 1 upon 1000. And how it is written as? 9 multiply by 1, 9 and upon 1000. So 9 upon 1000, how we write? First we are writing 9. Then how many places we have to left? किती places आपल्याला सोडायचे आहेत? 1 2 3. One place is there. Second place is not. So I am writing 0. Third place is not. So I am writing 0. Yes, third places are complete. Then give a point and after point we have to put a 0. So 0.009 is a place value of this 9 in the given number. So in this way you can easily identify place value of each digit of a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction च्या राईट साईडला असणारे नंबर आहेत 10th, 100th and 1000. त्यावेळी तुम्हाला असं करायचंय आणि लेफ्ट साईडला असणारा नॉर्मल नंबर आहे. सो यू कॅन इझिली राईट डाऊन देअर प्लेस व्हॅल्यूज. इट इज सो इझी. सो look at one question is given. I'm writing here already. That is, such type of question may be asked in your scholarship exam or in your regular exam. What is the place value of a 3 in the number 94.803? 803 803 94.803 या नंबरमध्ये आपल्याला काय ओळखायचं आहे? व्हॉट इज द प्लेस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ अ 3? So I'm using one shortcut here. First I'm telling you how it is a mathematically proved, but then for the competitive exam I'm show you one shortcut. That is, first write the number 94.803. This is a number. Then which number we have to require? 3. So place value of a 3. So check the 3 is present at which place? 3 कुठल्या साइडला आहे? It is on the right side. Then from the right side, first place is 10th, then it is 100th, then it is 1000. So it is coming at 1000. So at the denominator number will be 1000, and at the numerator write down this given number. And how we write this number? First write 3 here, then we have to left 3 places, त्यानंतर आपल्याला हे 3 places सोडायचे आहेत from right side. 1 2 3, then put 0, and again after the point we have to put 0. So 0.003 is a way of finding the place value of a number. So one shortcut trick is also there. What we have to do? Check the number. I am show you here one shortcut way. So our number is 94.803. This number is there, and we have to find out the place value of these 3. So what we have to do? First, for this complete number, write down 0 here. How many digits it may be? No need to worry. For that, put 1 0 here. Then keep one point. That is point. पॉईंटच्या लेफ्ट साईडला जेवढे सगळे नंबर आहेत त्या सगळ्यांसाठी 0 पुट करायचं आहे. देन पॉईंट ठेवायचं आहे. देन वी रिक्वायर दिस नंबर 3, आणि 3च्या आधी पॉईंट नंतर किती डिजिट्स आहेत? 1 2. सो आय एम रायटिंग हिअर 2 zeros and keep this number as it is. So this is a very simple way of finding the place value. If I am required a place value of this 8, what we are doing? For this number we are writing 0, then point is there, so I am writing point here. And which number is coming? 8 directly, so I am writing here directly 8. So this is 0.8 is a place value of this 8. If we require this place value of this 9, so what is the place value of 9? So for the point we have to forget about all the things. This is a complete number 94. So 4 is unit place. This is a 10 place. Means 9 multiplied by 10. How many? 90. So this is the place value of a 9. So in this way you can easily identify a place value of any digit from a decimal fraction.